Hi there, Sophia here. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have a beautiful ring set to show you and to review for you. Maxine Jewelers reached out to me to review one of their rings, and when I went to their website and I saw how beautiful the jewelry was, I was curious to see it in person. So they sent me a ring set that I requested, which is an emerald cut 4-carat ring. It looks like a very sparkly diamond. If you're like me and you don't like traveling with your real diamond set, and you would like to wear a replacement, something that's equally sparkly and beautiful, but something that is not as valuable as your actual diamonds, this is for you. You should check out this website. It's Maxine Jewelers, and this is how it came packaged. So first you have the ring set in a beautiful white box, very nicely bubble wrapped all around to protect it. And you get a little gift bag. That's very pretty if you want to give it as a gift. It is nice quality. And you also get a little bag to store your ring in, because these rings are made of sterling silver coated with 18 karat gold. And if you keep it in this little bag, it prevents it from oxidizing. And you also get a little pamphlet inside that tells you how to care for your ring set, and also all the information about the jewelry that they have on their website. And you also get a little cloth to keep your ring clean and sparkly. And here it is, little silver cleaning cloth. And I have an amazing offer for you. With my link down below, you can get a buy one, get one free on any of the rings on their site. And believe me, you'll have a lot of fun shopping there because they have some beautiful things. This is how it comes packaged. You have the ring band, which has the stones all the way around and tremendous sparkle. You can even wear this alone. And you have this emerald cut one, which is about a 4-carat and 4-pronged ring. And it has a very delicate little band on it as well. And together, this stone really catches the light. It's very lovely as you turn it side by side. If you go visit their website and you see something else that you love as well, you can get 2 rings for the price of 1. Remember, buy one, get one free. This is Maxine Jewelry. All their information is linked down below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.